Hi guys, it's Chris with WTI. I use this charging stand for my Apple Watch and iPhone every night so that they're fully charged and ready for the next day. Here are some features I really like about this stand that I thought you might be interested in. It has rubber pads at the bottom to protect any surface you place it on. The pads also prevent it from slipping around. I like how you can run the charging wires through the hole at the back to keep the wires neat and tidy. The hole in the watch stand has a silicone rubber adapter to perfectly accept the magnetic charging connector that comes with the Apple Watch. As an added feature, you can horizontally place your phone on the stand like so and watch movies or other programs in the privacy of your own room. You can also put the phone in an upright position for FaceTiming or other applications. This stand has a strong, compact design. It's made of metal and has what looks like a baked-on flat black finish. It fits neatly on my bedside table and blends in well with the oak finish as well as other things I have on the table. If you happen to have an Apple Watch as well as a smartphone that you want to keep handy on your nightstand without too much clutter, I highly recommend this stand. But that's my point of view.